Hi traders, good day. So today is 20th of July 2020. We are now live. We are trading for mini S&P futures 500. So based from the current situation, we just have order just been filled for mini S&P futures 500 for US session scalping. So this is based from our live Telegram channel, which we are going to go long, and targeted TP is at 32.23. It should be around 10 points target with about 500 US dollar in profit. That's what we expected from this trade. Alright, so let's go back to the chart. So for now, still maintain on the higher side, on the positive side of 112 US dollar in profit. So let's wait. Hopefully things will go smoothly towards our TP targeted price level, which is at this yellow line. So I'll try to keep recording everything, so perhaps could be an interesting recording. Okay, by the way, there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it to join my live Telegram channel. So far looks good. 112, 125. So just have to wait. By the way, the stop loss is at 3206, which is somewhere down here at this bottom. So let me draw some line over here. So this is 3006. About that, that's the limit of the stop loss, and hopefully the price will remain on the higher side above our entry at this one, which is at this moment 150 US dollar. So I will pause this video. Once there's a big volume or there's a bigger push on the higher side, then we'll continue to record this trade. Traders resume back again. So far looks good. We have 225 is the highest just now. Now it's 212 US dollar in profit. Still waiting and hoping if the price can break through the nearest high for today and reaching the higher level of 32.23, which is will be a good for us. Today high is 32.22 if I'm not mistaken. 32.22. Yes, correct. 32.22.25. So we are expected to have 23 as our profit targeted price level, which is not much, but it is about 10 points or 500 US dollar in profit. So let's hope things will go smoothly towards this direction. This is live trading, and okay, still waiting for the strong indication. Alright, okay. I'm hoping there is a large volume pushing the price to break through the highest point over here. So let's wait and see. Hopefully things might get better in a moment soon. Alright, so while waiting, let's I'm also searching for another trade for crude oil. Still wait for the trade to break through. Okay, looks like it's going to have a pullback at this moment. Uh, 200. So let's wait and see. Okay, we'll pause for a while and resume later on once the price nearing our TP targeted price level. Okay, looks good now. 262.50 cent. It's the highest, 262. In terms of the profit, 275, 287. Keep investing. Everything looks good for us. I have to pause for now and go to another market and resume later on for this recording. Alright guys, we resume back again. So we have a profit of 312.50 cent, 212, 287. So the high just now is 350. Okay, so now the price was there. I thought I'm going to exit the market with a profit of plus 300 plus, but unfortunately the market already make a recovery on the downside. Alright, so I will exit in my position any moment from now. Just a quick exit. Alright traders, I've exited my position. So the price reach high of 21 plus, so we have a profit of 325 for mini S&P futures 500. And yep, we have a profit of 325 for mini futures 500 S&P for today. So there's a link below in the description, feel free to click on it. So let's continue again tomorrow. So that's the end of for today, 300 plus for a profit. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.